Alright, welcome back, guys. We got third round of Vivid Voltage. We got the Chonkachu on this pack. Hopefully that's promising. We need that Chonkachu Rainbow Rare VMAX. Then we got the Vstar Universe. Let's take a look at some of the pulls we got so far. We got this Aurora VMAX last night. We pulled that last night. Then we're on the third pack of Vivid Voltage. First pack we pulled this Orbital VMAX Rainbow Rare. Second pack we pulled this Colossal VMAX. Starting to think this is the VMAX version of the Vivid Voltage ETB. Alright, let's go. Pikachu, I choose you! Alright, here's the code card. I guess I should start doing this the right way. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. We got Leaf Energy. We got Heroes Metal. We got Stunfisk. We got Sableye. Another Fanfy, I'm so lucky. Yanma. Trubbish, Shuppet, Choodle, Jolteon Reverse Holo. I don't think I have that card. Add that to the decks. And we did not get anything good, looks like. Okay. And a Beedrill. I don't think I have that card, though. Okay, come on, Vstar Universe. I guess it was not the VMAX ETB. It was not the VMAX Vivid Voltage ETB. Now this pack of Vstar Universe is giving me anxiety to the VMAX. So let's see what we got. We got Magnemite, Parasect, Heavy Ball, some type of other ball. Fan of Fusion Strike? No, I don't know. Oh, whoa! Keldeo! Looks like an alt art card. And what's underneath? Wow! Hisuian Zoroark. And the Zapdos holographic. And the Deoxys holographic. Well, this card is awesome. Keldeo and Zoroark V. Thanks, guys, and tune in tomorrow, and we'll be going on round 4. Appreciate it.